Good morning everyone and welcome to our exploration of Tulum. The first place where we will be going is one of the cenotes, which are like, well, you will see it. I hope it's as beautiful as it looks in the pictures. So let's go there. Right, so this is the pathway to the cenote. Well, to one of those, because there are two here. One is cenote Cristal, the other one is cenote Escondido, which means, well, the crystal and the hidden one. The entrance for both of them is 120 pesos per person for both cenotes, and that's about $5 per person for both cenotes. And here, this is the first one. Let's check it out. Now it's time for a jump into the water. Weep. Oh, the water is so nice. Temperature, it's not as hot as the sea. It's cooler than the sea. But so that's good for refreshment during a hot day. And now let's check out how it looks underwater. We took a dip in this beautiful, not so warm, actually cool, no, how would you call it, temperate water? It's a perfect temperature to cool down in this hot Tulum summer. You can even jump into the water as you've seen, but there's actually not much else to do because except for those tables and this path that leads around the cenote, there's nothing else here. Props to Evelyn for jumping into the water, for making it, because she's kind of scared. You're the best, honey.
I'm a scaredy cat.
I was on the wrong setting again. Butterfly! So this is the path to the other cenote, the cenote Escondido, which means hidden cenote. It's a little bit further away from the main road, about 300 meters. Oh wow, that was a big lizard. Well, now let's get into the water. You can actually go and dive into those caves. I'd really like to do that, but sadly I don't have the license to do cave diving yet. Now we are done with the cenotes because it's already 12:30, which means that it's time for lunch and we are actually getting hungry. And there's nothing to eat around here and we didn't bring any food. So we are currently at the main road of the beachfront of Tulum. This is our car. Yes, we rented a car because Evelyn was uncomfortable riding all those long distances with the uncomfortable bikes in this heat, so we decided to rent a car for 5 days. A lot of resorts and hotels around here, but actually it's a very difficult place to go around even with a car because there aren't many parking spots. If there's a parking spot, you have to pay like $8. Well, you pay for a whole day, you cannot just pay for a couple of hours. And even if you want to eat something, most of the restaurants are more expensive than in other places. What I forgot to mention, yeah, it's a beachfront, but most beaches are private, so you cannot really go to the beach on this side. And on the other side there are actually beaches where you can visit, but at the moment they are closed because of COVID, as far as I understood. Although in 3 days,
Tuesday, yeah.
3 days we'll be going to a beach and also visit the ruin, well, from the seaside, and do some snorkeling. Evelyn is currently filming the pelicans that are diving, well, photographing the pelicans that are diving into the water, and her hair is flying straight up. That looks funny. So this is actually the only stretch of beach here by the Tulum beachfront, well, on the side of the resort, that you can visit. It doesn't look very attractive. The sand is brown, it has a lot of algae, the water is brown, it looks dirty. At the moment the water is also very wild, I guess because of the storms that are currently passing through the sea. I want to go to a cenote, to be honest, so let's meet at the cenote. And to see that you will have to subscribe and wait until next video, because it turns out that I have way too much footage of our time in Tulum, and instead of making a 20 minutes video I decided to split the video into 2 or maybe even 3 parts. So comment, like and subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.